Hi everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to resolve the Toyota Corolla flat tire light warning. Before I come back, please click the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel. I'll be back. Hi everyone, some of you asked me, hey EJ, I have this warning light on my Toyota Corolla. The thing is, with modern cars like my Toyota Corolla S, my BMW M6, and my Fiat 500 right there, they have a built-in TPMS sensors. My Jaguar XJR, on the other hand, the 2002 cars, they don't have TPMS sensor built in, so you have to continually check the tire pressure. But with modern vehicle, when the tire pressure falls below the recommended tire pressure recommendation, like right here with Toyota Corolla, you can find the information of the tire pressure on this side of the door is 32 psi, right? You see that front 32 psi, and then the rear also rear is 32 psi, and the spare tire is 60 psi. So what happened if your tire below the recommended 32 psi, like right now, come here Brenna, it will give you that warning light. That means your tires needs air. The problem is you can't tell which tire, so you need portable air compressor that have air pressure meter to check it. Okay, so we're gonna go through each tire to check which tire has low pressure. So anyway, when I come back, we're gonna do that. I'll be back. Hi everyone, my daughter is going to demonstrate it. We're gonna start with the rear driver's side, and we're gonna put the connected, then make sure you clamp it. Okay,
Okay.
this car will be her car someday, so I'm teaching her how to do it. Okay, clamp, and then let's take a look at the measurement over there. What is, okay, so that one is 35, so it's pretty good. It's okay, that one. We can go to the front driver's side. Yeah, I'm trying to teach my daughter how to do this, since she just got her driver's permit, so she'll be driving soon to go to college. And here we go, let's measure that one. Let's take a look at it. Oh yeah, this is very low. Do you see that? It's 10 psi. So we're gonna go ahead press the, hold on, let me get the power button on. So we saw the driver's side, which had really low psi. So now we're gonna check the passenger front side now. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and clamp it. No, that one is okay. Go ahead.
Above it?
Yep. There you go. That's fine. Yeah, the front passenger side is fine. So we're gonna go ahead and go to the last one. Yeah, if you have kids, you need to teach them this skill so they can make sure it's tight.
Okay.
And then clamp it. Hi everyone, once you fill up the air in each tire, you want to drive the car around for 5 to 10 minutes. What happened is the TPMS sensor computer will detect the tire pressure as it rotates, right? The thing is, the VWs, the TPMS sensor is built in on the tire wheel, not inside the tire. It's in the, the wheel mount. so it detect the rotation of the tire when the tire is low. But with the Toyota Corolla, and the Fiat 500, and the problem, the TPMS sensor is located inside the tire. So yeah, I just drove around for 5 minutes, and then come here, Rena. And now, since all tires pressure meet the recommended PSI, I always put 35 just in case. 32 is fine as long as you don't go over like 40. That's too much. But right now is I put everything at 35, 3 PSI above the recommended, which is fine. It's not gonna affect the drivability of the car. So anyway, yeah, that's how you resolve a low tire pressure warning light. You just have to go around with a tire compressor. I recommend you to get portable tire compressor, so you don't have to go to gas station, and you don't have to go somewhere, or you can do it in the comfort of your own home. If you're stuck on the road or in the shopping mall, you have the portable one, everything with you. So yeah, anyway, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel. Bye.